Welcome to QED 6430. This is the first time this class has ever been offered completely online. This course is designed to teach you how to use various technologies to enhance the delivery of content in your classroom. This semester, we'll examine a variety of tools that you could use in your classroom. You'll be expected to demonstrate a strong understanding of subject matter and understand how to establish an effective learning environment to foster students' intellectual growth. You'll also be expected to reflect on the assessments, as well as demonstrate an attitude of openness and inquiry. It's very important that you understand that this course will not be distributed on iLearn. Instead, we're going to be using a learning management system that's called Schoology. It's specifically designed for middle school and high school teachers. Schoology is a great free website where you can host material for students online. As I said before, this course is designed to expose you to new technologies, and this is your first technology. I expect that you will complete your Schoology profile, including a recent photo of yourself, and familiarize yourself with the interface. When signing up for Schoology, make sure you sign up as an instructor. Now let's take a look at the syllabus. My name is Dr. Beach, and the best way to get a hold of me is through my email. You could also call me on my office phone at 372-3069. Now this course is a little different because it's completely online. I'm trying some new things this time around. This course is going to be completely self-paced. That means that all the materials are available for you. Some of the things that we're going to be looking at, of course, are copyright and fair use, teachers pay teachers, QR codes, class flow, SoundNation, WeVideo, screencasting, geospatial technologies. You're going to be happy to know that you don't need a book for this course. I've made and provided you tons of videos that you could use to help you become successful in this class and to learn these new technologies. I do recommend that you use Google's Chrome browser as your web browser. That's just a recommendation. Let's take a look at the assignments. The first assignment I have listed is copyright and fair use, and I actually recommend that you start here. I have a video that I've created that talks about copyright and fair use and what copyright and fair use means to teachers. Once you finish the video, I recommend that you take the quiz. The quiz is from the video, of course. And if you've watched the video and you've taken notes, you should be able to pass the quiz with no problems. Grant project. This is based off of a Donors Choose donor project. It's a carbon copy of what Donors Choose ask for when you submit a project. The neat thing about this project is last summer I had a student create a grant project, just like you will be doing this semester, and she won 2 iPads for her classroom for a project that she created in this class. Next is geospatial paper. This is a big project, very big, so don't put this one at the back burner. This is your opportunity to practice writing and practice writing a journal article. This is going to be over geospatial technologies, and you may not know a lot about geospatial technologies, but this is your opportunity to learn. I have posted an article to get you started, but I'm going to ask you to find out all you can about geospatial technologies and relate it to how you could use those technologies in your classroom. Exceptional papers will actually be submitted to an academic journal, and you have your chance of having your name published in an academic journal, which is pretty awesome. Next gets a little fun. Class flow, SoundNation, and video recording. You can choose one of these 3. You only have to choose one. You can read the descriptions for ClassFlow, SoundNation, and video editing. If you feel very comfortable with video editing, but you don't feel as comfortable with SoundNation or sound editing, then choose SoundNation. If you're interested in using mobile devices and controlling them from your classroom, then I encourage you to use ClassFlow. I want you to choose just one of these assignments. Don't do all 3. Just choose one. Safari Montage is a digital learning platform. It's free for tech students, and I encourage you to use it as often as you can in your classroom. Teachers Pay Teachers is another great website for teachers to sell materials that they've made in their classroom. And that assignment, much like the grant project, mimics what you have to do to submit a project to Teachers Pay Teachers. Finally, QR codes. If you haven't been exposed to them yet, it's okay. They're all over the place. They're super easy to create and use, and you're going to find tons of useful ways of using QR codes in your classroom. You can see the points breakdown. 180 to 200 is an A, 160 to 179 is a B, 140 and 150 159 is a C, 120 to 139 is a D, and then 0 to 119 is an F. You have access to the library, the TTU Online library, and you'll be needing that for the geospatial paper. TTU plagiarism policy is very strict. That means if you're writing your paper and you copy something directly from another article or another website, and that you don't properly accredit to that source of information, that's considered plagiarism, and that's a failable offense. So please don't do that. Plagiarism is serious, and we take it very serious at Tennessee Tech, so please make sure that you do not plagiarize anybody's work. If you want more information about plagiarism, I've got a link there that you can actually go to and learn about plagiarism as well. Well, that's it. That's the course in a nutshell. Like I said, it's self-paced, but again, don't put these assignments off. Get them done as soon as you possibly can so you can focus solely on that big paper. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me through email or through Schoology. I recommend that you post questions or comments on the updates page so that not only myself, but everybody else will be able to see those questions.